5 reasons why your business needs a Facebook group. A Facebook group is something your business might not have considered. Many companies will stop once they've built a Facebook page for their brand and call it a day. That's a mistake though, given that a Facebook group can be an extremely useful way to get people to engage more fully with your brand. In this presentation, we'll look at 5 reasons that your business needs a Facebook page. 1. It gives you a highly targeted audience. The people who join your Facebook group will do so because they are interested in the topics you are talking about, and/or because they like your brand. Either way, this is now a captive audience, a group of people with the right interests that you can message whenever you like. The marketing potential is huge. 2. It can run itself. Not sure if you have time to run another social media page? Good news is that you don't need to. With a Facebook group, you can either set members as administrators, giving them the ability to approve posts, remove users, etc. This not only rewards those loyal members and gains even more trust and loyalty, but it also removes a big job from you and means your group will be self-sustaining. 3. It massively increases engagement. While pages can be used like a megaphone, a group is more like a campfire where you can discuss things with friends and like-minded individuals. This is a great way to build a much more engaged audience that feels like they know you personally. 4. It's great for feedback. A Facebook group can be a very useful tool for market research, feedback, and even ideas for future content and products. Many companies spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on people with clipboards who go around conducting surveys for them. With your own Facebook group and the handy poll feature, you can do all that yourself without spending a dime. 5. You can use it as an incentive. A Facebook group is a great way to give back to your loyal audience. What's more is that it can act as an incentive. For example, you can run a promotion on your site where the first prize is being invited to the exclusive VIPs club. People love joining secret clubs, and this is a brilliant way to leverage that impulse.